The head of the New York Philharmonic has said in a recent interview with Šinhua that the Philharmonic is committed to cultural ambassadorship linking the United States and China through music, presenting performances and building cooperation with the Shanghai Symphony Orchestra and the Shanghai Conservatory of Music. The orchestra's relationship with China goes back decades ago, said Gary Gensling, president and CEO of the Philharmonic.
We think of cultural ambassadors, that we are sort of connecting the United States and China through our music, regardless of what's happening in the world around us or the challenges between our countries. This connection between music is so important to us and will remain so.
The New York Philharmonic resumed in-person exchanges with its Chinese partners and audiences in 2023, following a year-long hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Last summer, we were very fortunate to be able to send a group of about 9 or 10 musicians, and so it was so exciting for me to see for the first time in person the young musicians being trained by our musicians and the sort of the coming together of cultures to learn to make music together. It's so exciting to see how classical music continues to grow in China. And so the importance of training the next generation of young musicians is something that's very important to us at the New York Philharmonic. And so we are committed to this partnership and continuing to grow it and train the next generation and being able to work with them.